feel like my back brake is working. I need to go back home and check that. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I just ate. Like, getting on and off. Alright. Hey, that is too tight. Wow. Looks like I got a piece missing there too. That's on this side. Well, they're not the greatest. I need this. No, I don't need that. Maybe that. Let's have a little maybe a D40 just to see if it even makes a difference. I know. Gotta be careful with this stuff. Well, I think I'm just going to take this apart. Try and do this right. See you in a bit. Alright. Here's what happened. This peg was getting kind of loose. And my peg on the other side yesterday got real loose. So I tightened it up, but when I tightened this one up, it made my brakes real stiff. So I took this peg off, And I saw a little shim here, but there was no shim here. So I stuck a shim in there, so when I tighten it, it doesn't squeeze it together so much that this don't work freely. Well, guess what? It does now, and I feel like a genius. Alright, try this journey again. Go head over to my brother Ronnie's and see a couple of my other brothers. You know, full of brothers. Got so many brothers. No, I'm just glad I take a little time to do things right today. I know I was just shooting a little bit of WD-40 in there, see what would happen. And I really didn't do shit. So I said I will take it apart completely and investigate. See if it needs grease, see what the hell it needs. And it needed a shim. So now I know. Gotta turn that music down. Got the cardo on and Brian Johnson just screaming in my ear while I'm trying to talk. Yep, rear brake works good. Man, that's little things you learn. I'm grateful I got a little bit of a small mechanical inclination. But I can do most, you know, basic projects.